Hey guys, in my other videos I've told you many reasons why you should come to Canada. In this video I'm going to tell you 5 different reasons why Canada might not be the right place for you. Stay tuned. So you should not think of migrating to Canada if in case you think you're gonna get easy money. No, it's not true. You have to work really hard to earn money and then send back to your home countries. Okay, so it's not just working in your office, in your work environment. It's also the work that you do after coming back from your office. It's like daily housework, right? Like washing dishes, cooking food, cleaning your clothes. Everything counts, and you are not gonna get a servant for that, because servants will be very expensive. Again, because the minimum wage is $14 per hour, you can't afford to pay $14 per hour for somebody to clean your clothes or to clean the dishes. So you have to be really hard working. So this is the foremost thing. Alright, so the second very important reason why you should think twice before coming to Canada is the weather. The weather here is very cold, and this is the foremost reason why many people choose Australia over Canada. The weather here is super cold, and the same continues for around 3 to 4 months every year. The months of December, January, February and March are very cold. This is May, and you can see this like nice spring weather out here, and you can see people around here in the park. They're enjoying their time. So you can get to have all the 4 weathers here. The winters are very cold, summers are very good, the spring and the autumn. But just consider winters. If you just can't stand winters, just think twice before coming to Canada. Alright, so here comes another major point. If you're an Asian and you're homesick, you need to visit your home country, your people, your neighborhood quite frequently. Canada might not be the right place for you. You see, Asia and North America are quite distant. The flights are too long and tickets are too expensive. So you should think twice before coming to Canada if you're homesick. If you think that you can visit your country quite frequently, like in 2 or 3 months, it won't really be possible every time. Okay, so if you're not a risk taker, so applying Canadian PR might not work out well for you. You see, applying the PR, in the complete process, you'll have to spend some money. So your money is at risk. If you come to Canada, you might have to quit your job. So your job is at risk. Another thing that is very important to notice is that you're coming here to begin a new phase of your life. So many things might be at risk for you. This might differ from people to people. So if you're not a risk taker, think twice. Alright, so this is the 5th and the last thing that I want to point out here. If you're one of those people who think of Canada as a gateway to US, you might be very wrong here. Now, with the Canadian PR, you cannot work in US. You haven't got the rights to do that. Okay, so apart from that, just to apply the visitor visa, you have to wait for around a year. It is not the norms, but definitely it is advisable, or your visa might get rejected. So please take a note of that as well. So these were the 5 very important points that you should definitely consider before taking the decision of moving to Canada. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe my channel, Dream Abroad.